We're all set.
All right, here we go.
We're off. Let's go take some pictures. Or
Run. Looks like a rainbow.
Pull it in. Come on.
I can't go no more because you're
Here, John, they'll use a little net. Can I get him up so he doesn't break his line, Mike?
you should probably get it right up with it. Down.
Hey, Dad!
Little bow. You can keep him if you want, I think.
You all right?
Yay!
Take a look. There, get close. Do you want a picture with them?
Yeah.
You gotta throw him on Mike's bottom of his boat.
Just a little guy.
That's all right. It's better than no guy. Are you in, Dad? Here.
okay.
Thanks, reel it in.
Oh, he got off.
Oh, shit.
Oh, maybe not. He's just swimming towards us. Oh, he did get off.
Yeah, Mike's got one.
That's a pretty good fish, I think.
Oh, yay!
Oh, that's a good one there. Where's the net?
It's to your right.
Holy.
Here, let me net it. Here, video.
That's a fatty. Okay, wait.
It's all right, just time out.
Oh, wow.
That's what you call a netter.
That's a nice fish there.
That's a cutthroat, ain't it? They said the pectoral fin is yellow.
Wow. That's a beauty there.
You got getting good video? Let me guess, you can't see.
I can't see nothing.
You can't see it? Let me video then if you're not seeing. Dad, your camera looks like it's way down. Can you see us?
Yeah, but you gotta pick the fish up a little bit.
You will.
That's a fatty there.
You got, oh, that was close, eh? Do you want to pick it up? I'll take it. Oh.
Should have zoomed this out somehow.
What do you mean? Is it on?
I hope it's recording. I don't.
Hold on, Mike.
You gave it to me and I didn't touch it.
Nice.
Let me get a picture.
fish.
He's gonna get a picture.
I don't want to get my hands up.
Well, RJ owes us each a buck so far.
Got it?
Yeah.
How about me?
Woohoo!
Let's see.
Got it?
Oh, again, comes off of the net.
There. Up in
No,
the reel
pull
up a bit.
No, just pull this up.
I just didn't want this thing to get to the bottom. Oh. Could you reel that?
I'll try to get up.
Damn.
That little lure's hot.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I get it. Okay.
All right, now it's done.
I'll get a picture when you hold them up, Archie.
Woo! Get it?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, 3 to the boat.
Catch and release.
That's pretty good. 3. Give me your camera. Did you see him? So I'm going to drown him by the time he gets here.
Way to go, Mike. Hurt the fish.
That's a little cut.
Are you sure my lure isn't in his mouth?
I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's a pretty nice little fish. Oh, that's a bull.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you broke your lure.
Yeah, buddy, we got it.
Uh-oh. That's bad luck.
There goes the hot spot.
With the right length and everything, huh?
Guess what?
What?
He swallowed
He
it?
spit it
You have a
out.
hook in the back, at the back with a worm?
No.
Oh, he had a hook in him.
He's got a hook in him.
So where's my lure?
Right
He
down
just
there.
spit it out.
How do you like
just,
that?
Just throw him back.
Get a
Okay.
picture?
Okay.
So he's a hungry guy.
Yeah. Here, hold on. I know this isn't the picture though.
That's all right. Okay. See the line?
Yeah.
It's right down this gut.
Poor guy. Hungry guy.
That's the hot lure.
Hot lure. Uh-oh. There she is. That's the catch of the day.
What do you got there, Dad?
Looks like another trout.
Thanks. Let's get a good picture, Dad, with this one.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Hey. Woo. Hey, Dad. They're right there on by my sweatshirt, right close to the front of the boat. If you grab my phone there, Mike, you can take a picture. You don't need the code, you can just swipe up on the camera. I'm taking a video. Oh, tell me when you're ready and my dad will turn around. Can you see it? Just swipe up on the camera.
Okay. Not very good.
Here, turn around, Dad. All right. I know, stay on the front. Mike, he's not taking this fish too seriously here. What do you got there, Dad?
Maybe a sheep.
Sheephead, huh? I'm in neutral, so.
I had a lot of line out. I cast almost the whole reel.
It's a rainbow there. Oh, that's gonna be a good.
Here, can I take the net up here?
Yeah, just pull it right.
Okay.
Pliers?
That's gotta hurt.
Hey!
I'm rolling.
I already put my tree stand up for me. I caught my limit. It was like 5 o'clock. I said, ah, shit, I think I want to go deer hunting. So I went up and got in my blind. I thought I seen a deer. It's the only time I ever called a deer. I let a couple grunts out, and this buck come chair-assing right into me, stopped 20 yards, looking all over for me, and I nailed him. Yeah. Any day up.
What would you know about work?
Oh, I forgot what the- No, I did work after I retired. I was at a house, building a house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get much help this time.
I was there.
Well, what do you think?
Good day. I'll do it again tomorrow.
No, take the boat home.
Those are the warmest hats ever. Yeah. When you what?
When you fall like this, is it usually gas?
No.